Yo, what's up guys? It's been ages since I've made a video. This one isn't like gonna be a crazy trip or something super exciting, but it's a little bit exciting because I finally am replacing my camera. You see this one here, this little thing, it's called Suku. I don't even know what the model is, but I've had it since 2018 and it only cost I guess in US dollars, maybe like 50 or 60 or 70 US dollars. It was very cheap. I got it in Hong Kong. It's like a knockoff GoPro. And all of the videos that you probably would have seen on this channel, or at least most of them, were filmed on this camera. I know it does have a Sony sensor, but yeah, it's not like it wasn't the greatest camera of all time. It also had like pretty bad image stabilization. So it's good to finally have a new camera. So I went ahead and got, there we go, a GoPro Hero 9 because they're cheap at the moment. The 12 just came out, so I guess they're getting rid of the old stock. Me being kind of a cheapskate, I'm not going to buy the latest model, so I got the Hero 9, which is cool. And I won't like do a proper unboxing because, you know, this has been out for ages, people have done that, but it's pretty cool. Get that in the box. So this video is just going to be, I'm going to film some footage with my old camera and then compare it to the new GoPro, and it'll just give you a sense of the video quality for upcoming videos. You can see that they're going to be way less shit than they were before, pretty much. So I'm going to go do that now. Let's go do some testing of the new camera. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just testing the old camera here. I've come out to the top of Mount Victoria, so we'll head up to the peak there, but you get a nice view of Wellington. It's sunset, so good time to be filming. But yeah, this is what the old camera looks like, and I'll just get some footage up there as well, and then we'll crank out the new one and do a comparison. Cool, and here we are at the top. You can see a plane going by there, and sun's just setting. This is the view of Wellington with the old camera. RIP to the Suku 30 or whatever the hell this thing is called. Alright, and now we're here recording on the new GoPro Hero 9. I'll just turn you around so you can see something apart from grass. Oh, that's a nice shot. Although you probably can't see anything except the sun, but we'll kind of point it that way. There's some stuff that is in the sun. There's the rest of the hill. You can see over this way as well. There's a nice view of the harbour over there. But back to that nice sunrise. So this is what the new camera looks like. The cool thing is there's also a little screen here on the front of it, so I can actually see that the video looks good while I'm filming a selfie shot. But yeah, there's like a lot of settings to this camera, so I've just got this on 1080p with some sort of advanced stability put on, but I'll learn the settings. Yeah, I might fuck around with like 2K or 4K, but honestly 1080p seems pretty fine for now. But yeah, that's my little video, just showing you the camera quality of my new GoPro, so hopefully that will improve the quality of my videos going forward, although I don't make too many videos at the moment. I do have some coming up though. I'm going to Sydney again next year in February because the Chemical Brothers are playing, so me and some friends are going to go to that, which I'm looking forward to, excited for that. And also next year I should be going to America actually, so that's what I've got on the way in terms of travel videos, but my life is kind of booming now, so I'm not doing them all the time like I used to. Where I have been making videos though is my DJ channel, Shredder Home, which you can see in the channel links for this page, but I've been doing a lot of mixes there, like house, drum and bass, techno remixes, so go check those out. Those have been doing pretty well. But yeah, might have a couple more videos this year, thank you for watching this one, and yeah, see you guys soon.